Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to Qadri Voice. Today's video is about why it is not worth begging for love. So, falling in love means giving up your ego or not your self-respect. A person who truly loves you will never want you to lose self-respect. Sometimes we fall in love with someone so madly that we don't see our lives without them. Not everyone we love will love us back the same way. Loving someone should never turn into so much desperation that you don't even see yourself being mistreated. If you can't have that person in your life, it doesn't stop you from loving them. Love is a feeling that belongs to you even if you can't be with them. Love is about caring and making other people feel worthy. It should be a source of joy. The moment you start to beg, it loses its true essence. Dr. Bhauna Qadri.